Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Neat with Kiran sir. So we are on the topic morphology of flowering plants. So before that, I would going to request you all kindly subscribe to my channel Neat with Kiran sir and click on bell icon. We'll get regular updates on the videos with the Neat with Kiran sir. So we are on part 2, that is MCQ's part 2 of the chapter morphology of angiosperm. So go to the questions here. First one, in bougainvillea, the thorns are the modification of. So remember the example, bougainvillea. So they given the modification thorn. They are the modification of ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So thorns are the modification of stem. That is nothing but auxiliary buds. Okay, they are the modification of auxiliary bud and meant for the production purpose. Hence it is number 3. That is they are basically modified stem. So remember, thorns of the bougainvillea, they are the modified stem which are meant for the protection. Okay, next one. The morphological nature of the edible part of coconut is. So when I say the morphological nature of the edible part of a coconut is a fruit. Okay, so here which is edible in case of coconut, you have to think, then you have to think what is it morphology. So here the edible part of the coconut we call it as endosperm. Okay, that is we are going to call it as endosperm. So here when I say endosperm, so look at the option. So when I consider fruit, so it has different part. It has perisperm, it has cotyledon, it has pericarp, and it has endosperm. So when I say pericarp, it is the outermost layer of a fruit. Okay, so here it include epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. So in case of coconut, these pericarp is not at all edible. Hence, it cannot be the right answer. Then in case of coconut again, the cotyledon is also not an edible part. Then the doubt between the perisperm and coconut. So here in case of the coconut, we cannot observe perisperm. What is perisperm? That is a persistent nucleus present in the seed. But in case of coconut, there is no term called as perisperm is present. Then which one is the morphological form? That is endosperm. Hence it is number 3. Next one. The term polyadelphous is related to. The poly means many, adelphous means bundles of a filament. Where do you find filament? Simply we'll go with androecium. So polyadelphous is a condition where all the filaments are fused to form many bundles where still the anthers are free to each other. Next one. Free central placentation is found in. Free central placentation is found in. So look at the brassica, citrus and dianthus. So here the right answer is the argemone, that is having a free central placentation. Okay, so here in case of citrus we find the axial placentation, whereas in case of brassica we are finding the parietal placentation. In case of dianthus we are going to observe again the axial placentation. Hence which one is free central placentation? That is argemone. Okay, next one. So match the column 1 with the column 2 and select the correct option using the code given below. So first one, a pistil fused together or the carpels fused together, that is called as syncarpus. I will write it as, here it is, I will write as A. Okay, then formation of gametes, that is called as gametogenesis. Okay, the formation of gametes is called as gametogenesis. Hyphae of higher. So here look at the C, the hyphae of the higher fungi, that is called as dikaryon. So here it is C, and unisexual female flower, that is called as the pistillate. So here dikaryotic, in case of fungi we can observe the hyphae of higher fungi where having two haploid nucleus in a single cell is called as dikaryotic stage. Okay, so which one is correct answer? So I have to say A. So here A3, you have to find A3, there is only one option. And remember, so look at this, it is appeared in the NEET. So in the major of them, ask the following question, if you tackle one, remaining 3 will be the bonus. Okay, so here we will go with the option 4. Okay, next one. The coconut water from the tender coconut. Look at the coconut. So here the NEET people is very interesting in asking questions on coconut. Okay, so it is a third time we are observing a question based on the coconut. The coconut water from the tender coconut, andre elneeru, tender coconut represent. So it is an endosperm, no doubt at all. Okay, the coconut, tender coconut or the kernel ಏನು ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀರಿ ಅದು ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಂಡೋಕಾರ್ಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಡ್. ಎಂಡೋಕಾರ್ಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಫ್ರೂಟದ ಲೇಯರ್, ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಲೆಶಿ ಮೀಸೋಕಾರ್ಪ್ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೀ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೋ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋನ ಫ್ರೀ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4. ಸೊ ದ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದ ವೈಟ್ ಕೆರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್. That is example for cellular endosperm. I hope you all understand this one. Next one. Okay. The standard petal. Okay. The standard petal of Papilionaceous corolla. So Papilionaceous corolla andre diagrammatic representation nodtane iga. So this is a standard petal which overlap to wing petal which overlap to keel petal. So idenappa ant kelidare, that is nothing but what? It is a standard. Another name we call it as vexillum. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೆಕ್ಸಿಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊರಲ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಪ್ಲೋನೇಸಿಯಾ. ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಸಿಂಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಗೈನೋಸಿಯಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಪಲ್ಸ್ 3 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಗೈನೋಸಿಯಮ್ ಈ ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದಂತೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಿಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಕ್ವಶನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರೋದು 3: ಲಿಲಿಯೇಸಿಯೆ, ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿಯೆ, ಸೊಲ್ನೇಸಿಯೆ. ಸೊಲ್ನೇಸಿಯೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಸಿಂಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಯುನಿಲೊಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಮೋನೋಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮೋನೋಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಯುನಿಲೊಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದೀಗ ಲಿಲಿಯೇಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಸಿಂಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ರೈಲೊಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಓರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಲಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೆಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟಿಪ್, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದು ಆಂಥರ್ ಅದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಿಲಾಮೆಂಟ್, ಇದು ಆಂಥರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಿಲಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಆಂಥರ್ಗೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಕಲ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫಿಲಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೆಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ದ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಂಥರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಆಂಥರ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಫ್ಲಾಟೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪೊನ್ಶಿಯಾ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಫಿಲ್ಲೋಕ್ಲೇಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಫಿಲ್ಲೋಕ್ಲೇಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿದ್ವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಟೆಂಡ್ರಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕುಕುಂಬರ್. Tendrils of cucumber ಅಂದರೆ they are also modified stem, it is also not correct. Thorns of citrus, they are also modified stem, hence it is also wrong. Then which one is correct? Picture of Nepenthes, that is a modified leaf. Okay, so which of the not stem antandre, that is picture of Nepenthes. Okay, next one. Stem modified into flat green organ for forming the function of a leaf, that is photosynthesis. Okay, that is photosynthesis are known as. So here a flat stem, that is called as phyllodes or scales or cladodes or phyllocytes. So generally I will go with the phyllocytes. They are the flat modified stem for forming the function of leaf, that is a photosynthetic, hence they are called as phyllocyte. Okay, then a scutellum is observed. A scutellum is observed in a grain of a wheat. The maize is comparable to which part of the seed in monocotyledon? So what is scutellum anta kelidane? Scutellum nothing but a single cotyledon. Scutellum nothing but single cotyledon present in a monocot seed is called as scutellum. Andre, so it going to represent what? The cotyledonary structure. A single cotyledon present in a monocot seed, we are going to call it as a scutellum. Okay, my dear students, I'm going to stop here. We'll continue with next video on remaining MCQs. I hope kindly subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.